Hello friends, hope you are all doing well and you are all fine. We had already completed the unit 1, that is environmental education, in which we had discussed certain topics that are important from your exam point of view. Now today we are going to begin unit 2, that is environmental concerns, and topic which we are going to discuss today are causes and consequences of environmental degradation. Alright, then let's begin. Environmental degradation जो है it is one of the major challenges that modern civilizations today face. And जो environmental degradation है it basically refers to the deterioration, or we can say degradation or destruction of natural environment, which include air, water, soil, forests and biodiversity. That is basically due to the overuse of natural resources, which causes pollution and destruction of the ecosystems. एंड एट इट्स कोर जो एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन है इट रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम द growing conflict between the human expansion, including the economic, industrial and social systems, and also the finite regenerative capacity of the earth. And in earlier periods जो nature था that was able to absorb the human impact is however जो scale और जो speed intensity है modern human activities की that had pushed ecosystems beyond their limits, that now threatening the ecological stability and the human survival itself. ठीक है, so let's talk about the causes of environmental degradation. Although जो environmental change है it can occur naturally, but जो current magnitude है degradation का that is overwhelmingly anthropogenic, or we can say that is human induced. Like अगर हम बात करें causes की one of the major cause जो है that is our population, or we can say demographic engine. Like जो population growth है वो हमें fundamental driver देखने को मिलती है environmental stress के लिए, because with the global population that exceeds 8 billion, humanity's ecological footprint जो है that now surpasses the earth's ability to regenerate the resources. Like if we talk about the increased resource demand, बहुत सारी individuals जो है जो growing population है world की that required food, fresh water, housing, transport and energy, which leads to the large scale deforestation, land conservation and also the our extraction of the water. Similarly waste generation, like high population density जो है that creates massive quantities of solid waste, sewage and industrial effluents that overwhelmingly waste the natural resources. And it causes ecosystems to lose their capacity to recover, and which further leads to the pollution of hotspots and the resource depletion. ठीक है, सेकेंड जो है सेकेंड इज इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. जो मॉडर्न डेवलपमेंट है दैट लार्जली फॉलोस ए लीनियर इकोनॉमिक मॉडल, दैट इज द एक्सट्रैक्ट, प्रोड्यूस, कंज्यूम एंड डिस्कार्ड. और जो मेजर एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट्स हैं इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के दैट आर एयर पोल्यूशन. लाइक जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं दे इमिट सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड एंड ऑल्सो द पार्टिकुलेट मैटर विच लीड्स टू द स्मोक, एसिड रेन एंड ऑल्सो द रेस्पिरेटरी इलनेसेस. Similarly, soil and water contamination जो है it is also the major environmental impact of industrialization and economic growth. Like जो industrial waste है या जो toxic effluents हैं they degrade land and the fresh water ecosystem. Similarly, mining and extraction like open pit mining या जो oil drilling या mountain top removal जो है that permanently damages the landscape and that disrupts the ecological stability, and it causes short term economic gains, but it further causes the long term ecological damage. ठीक है, थर्ड जो है थर्ड इज एग्रीकल्चरल इंटेंसिटी. To feed the growing population of the world, जो agriculture है that had now shifted towards the industrial input intensive farming. और जो key causes है degradation कि of agriculture intensification, like we use chemical fertilizers and pesticides, like जो excess nitrogen और जो phosphorus runoff है that contaminate rivers, lakes and groundwater. Similarly eutrophication, like जो nutrient overload है that causes algal bloom that deplete oxygen in the water bodies, that create dead zones जहाँ aquatic life जो है that cannot survive. Similarly livestock emissions जो है like large scale cattle farming जो है that releases methane, which is a greenhouse gas that has a more potent than carbon dioxide. Similar so ये जो agriculture intensification है, it results in soil fertility declines, water body degrade and climate change accelerates. food जो है food is deforestation and लैंड यूज चेंज, लाइक जो फॉरेस्ट्स हैं ये हमें बहुत ही वाइटल देखने को मिलते हैं फॉर द क्लाइमेट रेगुलेशन, बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन एंड वाटर साइकिल्स. यट ये जो forests and they are being destroyed rapidly for the timber, agriculture, mining and also for the urban expansion. और इसके जो environmental impacts है like loss of carbon sinks, जो trees है they absorb carbon dioxide, और जो deforestation है that releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere. Similarly hydrological disruption जो है that also causes due to the deforestation and land use change, like जो forest removal है या जो deforestation है that alters the rainfall patterns, that increases the runoff and that heightens the flood risk. Similarly habitat destruction, like जो forest loss है that leads to the directly species extinction and also the biodiversity decline. So ये जो for deforestation and land use change है it results in climate instability and irreversible ecological damage. ठीक है, I hope it is clear to you. Now talking about the consequences of environmental degradation. Environmental degradation जो है as you may now be aware about it, जो environmental degradation है it not only affects the environment ecosystems but it also affects the human health, economic stability and also the global security. Like if we talk about climate change and extreme weather events, जो accumulation है greenhouse gases की that has destabilized the earth's climate system, that has a major consequences like global warming, like जो rising temperatures and that melts the glaciers and polar ice which causes sea levels to rise. Similarly extreme weather conditions like more frequent और जो intense heat waves, drought, cyclones, floods या जो wildfires हैं, these are also the major factors of the climate change or extreme weather events. Similarly infrastructure damage like roads, homes, agriculture and energy systems that also suffers massive losses. So जो result है of climate change and these extreme weather conditions की, that is जो climate change है that rapidly grows and it acts as a force multiplier which intensifies the existing environmental and social problems. Second, biodiversity loss and ecological collapse, like जो planet है हमारा it is currently experiencing the sixth mass extinction driven primarily by the human activities. और इसकी जो key major factors हैं like habitat fragmentation due to the construction of roads, farms and cities, जो है it basically divides the ecosystem which prevent the species migration and reproduction. Similarly pollinator decline, जो loss है bees या insects का, that also threaten the food production and बहुत सारी crops जो हैं that also depend on the pollination. So इस तरीके से हमें pollinator decline देखने को मिलता है. Similarly loss of genetic diversity like reduced resilience of ecosystem to the diseases and climate shocks. These are also the major examples of the biodiversity loss and ecological collapse, and it ultimately causes the ecosystem collapse which undermines the food security, medicine and natural resilience. Third, human health impact is like जो degraded environment है that directly harms the human health. और इसके जो major health effects हैं like air pollution की अगर हम बात करें, it causes asthma, lung cancer, heart disease and millions of premature deaths annually. Similarly, water pollution जो है it leads to the waterborne diseases such as cholera, dysentery and typhoid. Similarly, zoonotic diseases like deforestation जो है that increases the human wildlife contact, which enable diseases to spread like Ebola virus, SARS, COVID-19. Similarly, toxic exposure like जो heavy metals हैं like mercury, lead, they also cause neurological damage especially in children. So ये जो human health impacts है the result further in the environmental degradation and becomes the public health crisis. फूड जो है फूड इज इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस लाइक जो एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन है इट अंडरमाइन्स दी सोशल स्टेबिलिटी एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. और अगर हम मेजर की इम्पैक्ट्स की बात करें लाइक एनवायरमेंटल माइग्रेशन ड्यू टू द डेजर्टिफिकेशन, फ्लड्स एंड सी लेवल राइज, बहुत सारे पीपल जो है दे migrate to the other cities and they are being forced to be environmental refugees. Similarly, food insecurity like soil erosion या land degradation जो है it also reduce the agricultural productivity. Similarly, rising costs like जो natural disasters और जो ecosystem services हैं they losses cost trillions of dollars globally. Similarly, conflict like scarcity of water, land and food, it also increases the risk of social unrest and conflict. And ये जो economic and social consequences हैं it further results in environmental degradation which threatens the national and global security. ठीक है. At conclusion, we had learned that कि जो environmental degradation है it is a self reinforcing because जब ecosystems जो हैं they weaken और उनकी जो ability है to recover that basically diminishes which further accelerates the damage. So to address such crisis it requires a global shift towards the sustainable development जहाँ economic growth जो है that respects ecological limits and natural capital जो है that should be valued alongside the financial capital, and जो developmental success है that should be measured not only by GDP but also by the ecosystem health, human well-being and intergenerational equity. So not only by integrating environmental protection into the economic planning, governance and education, जो humanity है that should resolve the degradation and that should ensure a livable planet for the future generations. So guys, that's it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखें. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.